Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a game in Roblox Mobile. To begin your game development journey, you will need to use Roblox Studio. This powerful tool is separate from the regular Roblox game player and is designed specifically for creators. While it excels on desktop, you can also access it on certain mobile devices such as large tablets or iPads, which offer more screen real estate. Remember, creating a game is different from just playing one, requiring a dedicated platform like Roblox Studio. Once in Roblox Studio, you will encounter fundamental elements called parts, the very building blocks of your game world. Imagine these as virtual bricks that you can shape and transform. You have complete control over their properties, allowing you to change their size, color, and even the material they are made from. Use intuitive tools like Move to reposition them, Scale to adjust their dimensions, and Rotate to orient them exactly as you envision. Starting with simple objects helps you quickly grasp these essential creation concepts. To truly bring your game to life, you will need to introduce interactivity. This is where scripting comes in, using the Lua programming language to add dynamic behaviors. Imagine making a door open when a player approaches, or having a platform disappear after a 5-second delay. You can start with very simple scripts, perhaps one that changes an object's color when touched. The Roblox Studio Toolbox also offers many pre-made scripts you can explore and modify, making it easier to see how code translates into action and brings your ideas to fruition. The final and incredibly important step is to test your game rigorously. Play it yourself, invite friends to test it, and try to break it in every possible way to find any bugs or unexpected behaviors. This iterative process ensures a smooth and enjoyable experience for your future players. Once you are confident in your creation, you can publish it, making it live for the entire Roblox community to explore. Don't forget to share your game's unique link with others. It is incredibly rewarding to see people enjoy something you have built.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.